Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Erfina. I'm from class B, informatic engineering. Here, I will show you how to make a glass of hot tea.
Material and tools.
1. Tea bag. Next, sugar, hot water, a glass, and spoon.
Step
1. Take the glass. Second, put the tea bag into the glass. And then put 2 spoons sugar. But if you don't like sweet, you can use 1 spoon. 1, 2. Next, pour the hot water into the glass. Next, stir until the water turns brown. After that, leave the tea bag.
Finally, the hot tea ready to drink.
This is tutorial how to make a glass of hot tea for me. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.